Barack Obama once said, "Let me put it this way, putting ketchup on a hot dog is not acceptable past the age of 8. Well, all I can say is taste this ketchup and you might change your mind. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, everyone. Today on my Weber Q, I'm cooking some hot dogs. But first, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious ketchup that's just perfect for hot dogs. So it's over to the kitchen. To make this ketchup, you're going to need rhubarb, onion, garlic, bay leaf, whole cloves, and red wine vinegar. First, roughly chop 400 grams of rhubarb. Each stem has been trimmed and any stringy bits removed. As you can see, I'm chopping into 1-inch chunks. Now slice half an onion. Slice and chop half a clove of garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to the pan. Let's get some heat under there. Add the onion, give it a stir and put the lid on. Turn the heat right down. Gently fry the onion until it is soft and just starting to brown a little. Season with a few grinds of salt and pepper. Now add the garlic and fry for another minute or so. In goes the rhubarb. Stir it round to mix with the onion and garlic. I'm adding 75 grams of caster sugar for a bit of sweetness, together with a bay leaf and 2 whole cloves. Now the liquid, 75 ml of red wine vinegar. After simmering for about 20 minutes, it's all looking good. Once cooled, I've removed the bay leaf and cloves. You may have noticed it has taken on a slightly different colour. Now I'm transferring the mixture to my Magimix food processor, fitted with the main blade. Blend for a few seconds until smooth. And for an extra smooth finish, I'm running the blended ketchup through a fine sieve. Out at the barbecue, it's time to get on with the hot dogs. But as far as I'm concerned, you can't have hot dogs without onions. So I'm using my cast iron pan. Better fire up the Q so it can warm up while I'm slicing the onions. I'm slicing my onions because that's how I like them. You can slice yours however you wish. They'll still taste the same. My Weber Q is warming up nicely. To my cast iron pan, I'm adding a small glug of olive oil and the onions. Close the lid and turn the heat down. I just want to sweat these onions until they're soft. Meanwhile, I have these lovely hot dog rolls, which I'm splitting in readiness. Right, the onions are looking soft, so I'm adding some water and letting them cook for a couple of minutes. Yes, they are cooking nicely. Move the pan over to make room for my Frankfurter sausages. Just give the onions another stir and turn the sausages. Now the boss does not like frankfurters. She would much rather have a British pork sausage. But to my mind, you cannot have a hot dog unless it's a frankfurter. So it looks like I might be eating two of them. Everything's cooked, so let's get the pan off the heat and put these little beauties together. I'm breaking the rules here. Apparently, you should dress the sausage with the onion on top. But as I have this delicious ketchup going on top, the onion's going underneath. Yes, I've just about got enough onion for two. Now for the ketchup. Give it a good shake and it's onto the hot dog. I'm useless at this zigzag topping. And there it is, hot dogs with rhubarb ketchup. Delish. That is one delicious ketchup. It's fruity, slightly sharp, and in my book, just perfect for hot dogs. Coming up this summer, I've got some awesome recipes that I'll be cooking on my Weber Q, which I know you won't want to miss. So all you have to do is sub the channel. Just click the button at the bottom of the screen, it's down there somewhere. Activate and ding the bell. And I do love to receive a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap. I don't care what anyone says about putting ketchup on hot dogs, because here's a ketchup that's just perfect for the job. Now, I'm off to eat those hot dogs, but they'll probably be cold by now. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, the dude with the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.